Okay, so let me show you my first version of nf-cachebrowser. As you know, I was working with the Java FX version, but yeah, it has a lot of problem and it's not integrated very well with Nextflow. For example, it depends on the Nextflow version you have to run it, and also it depends a lot of the Java version that you're using. So I changed the approaches and I take another approach. I think it's better. So well, let me show you in a real example. I'm in a folder validation test and I will run, for example, Nextflow run hello with the resume, for example, parameter. Okay, typical run. And okay, Nextflow is running run Caravaggio, and 4 of the tasks was executed. Okay, as it's the first time we run this pipeline in this folder, resume is ignored, but we can restart again. And we have another execution, nostalgic mirrors, nostalgic. Both of the all of them was using the catch tasks. Okay, so how can I inspect this execution? So in another terminal, I will run a plugin. By the moment, I need, as it's not published yet, I need to use this version. It's in my local machine, and I will run a plugin of Nextflow cachebrowser with the command run, and I will choose a typical port 8080, but you can select whatever you want, and I can provide a folder, a full path, a subpath, or if I don't provide a folder, it will use validation, in this case current folder. Okay, by the moment I will use this. So I start my plugin, and one of the first things that you can realize is that we are using Micronaut. Micronaut is a Java framework, very powerful, and I will use a Micronaut for wake up a web server. So if you open a browser and open the, in my case, localhost 8080, you can see this interface. Okay, you can see you have a session, is AFFF. This is the session, and if you expand the session, because you can have a lot of sessions, you can find the 2 executions. I run it, drunk and nostalgic, when was executed, the duration, the command, and also you can have a detail of the task. Let me show you. For example, say hello 4. This was the command that you executed. In case your command, your script is bigger, you can increase or decrease the text area. And here you can inspect all the variables in this task. In a new version, you will be able to change, for example, the execution. If the task fail, you can change, for example, the exit code. Okay. One of the features that you can also use is changing, for example, the light or the dark mode. Okay. And let me show you another feature. Say we have we are working in another directory. For example, we run the typical reneasec resume. Okay, as this Nextflow session is running in another directory, we can work with the session and nothing changing here because we are executing the inspecting the folder test. Okay, but let me stop this browser, or better way, I will wake up again and I will let me increase a little so we can run this in another port 1919, and we will run another plugin in the port 1919, so we can spend 1918 1919, and here we have another inspection, so we can inspect different execution tasks and so on. Okay, so basically this is the new approach of Cache browser, still in progress but very promising, I think so. Okay, so if you like it, let me know if you like it and I can continue working on it.